Hello YouTube. This is a quick showing of the dashcam DuDuBell 10-inch mirror dashcam with reverse assistant backup camera, dual 1080p external GPS, front and Sony IMX323 rear camera with night vision, touchscreen, wide angle HDR. Currently it's selling for, right now it's selling for around $76. Amazon. On eBay you can get it for a little bit less. After so much back and forth looking at so many choices in Amazon or eBay, I decide to go for this one because price wise that's the best choice at the moment. So it comes over here with this book. You guys can see right there. So far pretty good. They have plenty of pictures. You can see the diagram, how to install it, instructions, easy to install, page by page. It's easy. Plus you can watch video YouTube how to do it. I'm going to install it and then I'm going to show you how after it's installed it's working, and follow up and the rest of the time how the camera is performing with time. As you can see, this is what it comes in the box. So you got your booklet here. This is the actual camera. Okay, so you have this connection over here for power, then the different function SD card, the different function with the backup camera, pretty wide 10-inch. Then on the bottom you got the power button and the speakers, and then how to connect it. That's the camera right there, which I believe you can put it out, in and out, which is pretty cool. You see right there. So let me move this out of the way for a moment. Then you got this cable right here with the, I don't know if you can barely see it, with the backup camera right there. That's the backup camera with the cable right there. Then you got that little tool and another power connection cable right there. Then here you have the other, this is for the outlet to connect it. So every time you start the car, it will start. Also, this particular one have a G sensor, so when it get knocked by we have a sensor that when the vehicle get one point or another move a little bit, it will start recording to record the event for the accident. And then here you have the different ways to connect the straps to connect the back of the camera, a cleaning tool over here, and another cable right here with the sticky too, which is pretty cool. It's very easy to install. I don't think it's that difficult, especially the way you connect this with your current mirror. You can connect it right there and right there, so I don't see too much trouble. Then I'm gonna do a video actually with the camera working to see how it's performing, the camera. And then see, this particular camera goes like this, and the owner's manual goes there. Let me show you the box in general. So it says they have parking monitor, motion detection, parking assist, loop recording, and gravity sensor. And as you guys can see right now on Amazon, they're doing right now $75.99 in Amazon. But there's plenty of different ones. There are other ones that apparently, this one have also the external GPS. There are other ones who have a little bit more functions and benefit that you can take advantage. But this is my quick take. I'm gonna give you a follow-up video and how this camera performed. Again, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, it will help my channel. I don't have too many followers right now, but I don't get paid by nobody. I pay this with my own money and my hard-earned money, and then I need it for my wife car vehicle. So give me a like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching my channel. Any question, please feel free. I will do my best to respond. Thank you again.